Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be solving a very frustrating issue that I know I had, and I'm sure a bunch of people out there are having as well. I've seen it on numerous forums and in comments on other YouTube videos, and I know that there are not a lot of YouTube videos that actually answer the problem that I was having with connecting Cursor to Replit via SSH. So whether you're doing it in the shell command or you're doing it through the button here, I was getting multiple errors, and I'm sure you've seen them all if you're having trouble here. So whether you're getting this could not establish connection and it's kind of just loading and will not connect, or you're even getting asked for a password, this was kind of the most frustrating that I ran into whenever I was bouncing around trying to change things and fix things, was getting asked for a password that I just did not have. So if you're getting any of those errors and you can't figure out what's wrong or what's going on, I found the solution and I fixed it, and hopefully you can benefit from this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, it'll help. So let's just jump right into the video. So a lot of the problems that people are having can be quickly solved. It's an extension problem via Cursor or Visual Studio. For the most part, you're going to need to download a Remote SSH extension to get this SSH connection to be able to work. A lot of the problems that everybody's having, and I know that I had, is that this Microsoft Remote SSH does not show up. And I'm like, okay, maybe I just had a older version, or I was watching an older video and I just downloaded this one. I could not get this one to work, but I could not find this one to save the life of me. And the reason why is because most of the developers that are making these videos already had Visual Studio previously. Go ahead, download Desktop Visual Studio and click the extensions here once you get in. And once you have Visual Studio, you'll notice that you'll be able to type in SSH, and this will be here. This is the one that you want, Remote SSH Microsoft. The big problem, once I fully did this and went over to Cursor, it would still not work. And the reason is the latest version of this Remote SSH extension is the latest version does not work for some reason. It throws an error whenever it's trying to do the connection. I thought it was me, it's actually the tools that I was working with. So whenever I'm going in here to Visual Studio, I need to install a specific version. I went through all of these, and this one was the first one that I found that worked, the 113.1. So go ahead and click that one whenever you're going to install it, and you will install this in Visual Studio. So make sure you got the correct version. So you can see that mine says update right here, and I have that is because I have the older version in there, the one that works. So you can see it'll say current, the 113.1. So once you get that installed, you'll be able to go to Cursor, this is Cursor, and type in this shell import VS Code extension. I'll just type that in. So this is this is what you'll type into the top prompt bar, and whenever you click that in, you'll get all these migrated files from your VS Code. So you will get this in here. Notice that this says Remote SSH version 0.113.1. That is the older version. That is the correct version that you need to actually run this. So once you get all that installed, you will then be able to go through and launch Cursor, and it will actually work for you. I hope this helps. This is something that I 100% needed in a video that I really needed somebody to make for me that was not out there. So I hope this helps somebody. If you like it, please comment or like it and subscribe. Thanks, guys.